Alright everyone, in the previous video we fixed the strength number to go up and down in the right way. In this video we want to get it to connect to the actual animation so that as the gust strength goes up, then the effect on the leaves is greater. Now we're going to remember that gust strength gets up around the 20,000 sometimes, so we've got to bear that in mind and scale it appropriately, but we want to fit it in here. If we put gust strength in here, that's going to be the right relationship. Gust strength pushes lift up. My weight brings it down. The problem is that this is going to be way too large because gust strength gets up around 20,000, and as we saw, 1,000 is already like a massive gust of wind. It really sends everything flying. So we're going to want to kind of scale this. Well, if 20,000 is massive for this and 1,000 is massive for this, then they relate by a factor of about 20. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to divide gust strength by 20, and that's going to bring it down to the relative scales that we've been working in. And I think this is going to make a big difference to the effect. Okay, that's pretty good, but I think one final change that I want to try out. Right now, lift is set once and for all before we do the cycle. But as the cycle is running, the strength of the gust is going down. We have this effect here. And that should cause the effect on the leaves to go down as well. And so we can get that effect, I think, by putting the set lift in here so that it resets on every iteration, on every cycle. And that's going to make it lose strength as it goes, and I think it's going to look more natural. Let's hope so. Oh yeah, that's much better. Okay, one last thing to make the falling a bit more gentle, a bit more natural, is if we continue to allow the leaves to turn, and let's just use my spin. And since my spin is not getting multiplied by lift anymore, it should be a more gentle turn. Yeah, I like that. Alright, let's leave it there, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for listening, and if you find this video useful, please hit like and subscribe.